Correct way to implement piecewise function in Pandas to Numpy. I need to create a function to pass to curve_fit. In my case, the function is best defined as a piecewise function. I know that the following doesn't work, but I'm showing it since it makes the intent of the function clear. The problem, of course, is that x is a Pandas series, and the form, x is lower than or equal to x1, evaluates to a series of booleans, so this fails with the message the truth value of a series is ambiguous. It appears that np.piecewise is designed for exactly this situation, wherever const is true, funclist x is used as the output value. So I tried this. But this fails at this call. With the message indexer and too many indices for array. I'm inclined to think it's objecting to the fact that there are 2 elements in const and 3 elements in funclist, but the docs specifically state that the extra element in funclist is treated as the default. Any guidance?
This piece of code in Numpy's definition of np.piecewise is list the recentric. Thus, if x is a series, then const is equal to x lower or equal than x1, x is equal to x2 is a list of 2 series. Since const 0 is neither a list nor an array, const is promoted to a list of 1 condition. Since this is not what we want to happen, we need to make const a list of numpy arrays before passing it to np.piecewise. For example,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.